Our first Reggae Month ambassador is Etana. Some reggae, some reggae, reggae. You hit me like a drum. And I'm excited to be here. I feel like I'm a reggae ambassador every day. And so I'm excited to be here with you. For all the good people in reggae music, all the familiar faces, and all the ones that I'm seeing for the first time. Big up yourself and make us celebrate.
It's an honor, it must be for you, to be designated the ambassador for Reggae Month 2026. Your thoughts on that?
It's incredible. It's incredible that the leaders of my great Jamaica acknowledge the work that I have done over time, and that they thought that I would be the perfect person to remind the world of how powerful Jamaica is and how powerful the music that we create in Jamaica is. I am grateful, for that acknowledgement, and I'm ready, as you can see, to remind the world of how powerful we are.